Here, monkey. Here's a nice banana for you.
That putty cat after me again. Well, look at this, a darling little monkey. Here, monkey, here's a nice new penny for you. Aha! Thought you'd outfox old Granny, huh? Well, I was hep to you all the time.
Yes?
Hello? Yes, clerk? Would you please send up a boy to get my bags and bird? I'm checking out.
Room 158? Yes, ma'am. Right away.
Yes? Who is it?
Your bags, madame?
Oh, yes. Just a minute. Okay, they're right behind the door. I'll see you in the lobby.